When it comes to financial planning, I have two questions. First, who are you? Second, tell me what you want. What I'm trying to get to is what's your duration? Duration. For everyday people that are not thinking about, stocks or bonds or whatever your portfolio is, it boils down to what is the time frame? Duration is time frame. How long do I need some solution? I may only need it for a year. That's the ACA, right? Because you have the unrestricted right to change it every year. When it comes to Medicare, my book, the duration is longer. Why? Because of the fact that your selections are, the changing it can be restricted. So you're making a decision on day one, not only for day one, but also for year 5, year 10. When it comes to investment strategy, you're 65 and you're Mr. or Miss Perfect. We need to be thinking about long time frames. Long. Not the average of 79. We need to be thinking about 90, 95. And then how to pay for that. So I'm an education fellow at the Alliance for Lifetime Income, and a presenter to us, a representative from one of the sponsors, one of the largest insurance companies in the world, he very, very well stated it, which is, what is it going to cost? And that I'm dealing with a topic where we are dealing with the outcome that you want for most, right? Which is that they wish to live productively longer. Well, the issue with it is that that means you are incurring costs longer. And that's what we're trying to deal with. And if you ask me the number one thing, the number one error about going to YouTube and seeing the simple solution that can work for everybody is because everyone has a different duration. So how do we have a single solution for people with different time frames and which they need a solution? That is impossible. Hopefully you've liked today. The issue here is that the financial guidance industries are there to deliver a specific solution for as many people as possible at once without customizing. And now you see there's a conflict. You require a customized solution. Why? Because you have a customized duration. The solutions, the commercials, the 10-minute YouTube videos like to pretend as if you have the same duration. And in that fundamental inconsistency, you can see all the weaknesses of staying in the YouTube silo, just as the algorithm is programmed to do to keep you inside there. You can't just simply say that, oh, I'm Mr. Perfect versus I'm Mr. Sick a lot and you're 60 years old. You have different durations. You have different selections. You have different investment strategies. Yet, we're told in social media, because of the fact that we've got a 10-minute attention span, as if a single solution will solve it for everyone. Simply, Jay's Corner is there to say, look, these are the different situations, and your specific customized tailored solution approach will vary, and to not pretend as if one size fits all. Hopefully you've liked today. Hopefully you've liked today. Subscribe to the Substack, jo.substack.com. You can send email info@gh2benefits.com there on your screen.